Hello friends, welcome to Rupee Rookies Academy, where you can find the ready-to-use and easy-to-digest financial wisdom. Here is our latest video on empowering young minds with a money mindset. This guide is designed for parents and educators who want to empower the next generation of financial savvy individuals. In today's vulnerable financial landscape, where most of the money transactions are digital, teaching children about money management and safety is crucial. Let's have a look at why do kids need to master basic money skills at an early age. Well, our nation is poised to become an economic superpower, and in the next 2 decades, India will have the largest working-class population. Hence, to boost this growth and benefit from this boon, we need to invest in developing our children's money skills. By the time the children reach their adulthood, they should be earning and managing it on their own. Empowering them with a money mindset will pave the way for their long-term financial success. But we are facing a significant challenge in financial education. School curriculum fails to impart practical financial knowledge, leaving a gap between theoretical knowledge and real-world application. To address these concerns, we've developed some practical strategies to educate kids about money. No kid is likely to add another subject to their already heavy syllabus, but we as parents and teachers will have to gamify the financial education and impart it to them in the day-to-day lives. Start by making saving money exciting. Use clear jars or boxes so children can visually track their progress. Implement a simple record-keeping system to reinforce the concept of accumulation over time. Involve children in everyday shopping trips. Let them handle transactions and calculate change. This hands-on experience is invaluable in teaching the value of money and basic arithmetic. Introduce opportunity costs and delayed gratification to better understand save or spend choice in our lives and let them take their own decision. As parents and educators, we must model good financial behavior. Explain your financial decisions and demonstrate responsibility with money. Children emulate their parents in their money habits. Encourage entrepreneurship in children. Teach them basic business concepts through real-world projects, like setting up a lemonade stand or a sweet shop. Let them earn with household chores or helping an elderly person with some tasks. This helps to boost their confidence around money. Introduce banking early. Help children open and manage their own accounts, teaching them about deposits, withdrawals, and the concept of interest. They will be gaining a lot more social skills on the way. As we've discussed the importance of saving and managing money, it's equally crucial to introduce children to the concepts of earning and investing. These skills will set them up for long-term financial success. While allowances can be a useful tool, it's important to teach kids about earning money through effort and initiative. You can encourage age-appropriate jobs, teach the connection between work and compensation, and discuss different ways adults earn money. Investing can be an abstract concept for kids, but it's never too early to start teaching its basics. Start by explaining investing as a way to grow money over time. Introduce the concept of risk and reward. Discuss different types of investments which you do. Financial education should begin at a young age and be tailored to each child's level of understanding. While you are explaining the concepts, use your storytelling skills and real-world scenarios. Be patient with them. Let them make choices, let them make mistakes, and learn from it. Never force your ideas on them. Let it be a beautiful journey for them and for you. To recap, we've covered some key strategies for teaching kids about money: encouraging saving, providing real-world experiences, teaching about choices, setting a good example, fostering entrepreneurship, introducing banking, and help them with investing a part of their hard-earned money. Also, instill the value of generosity. Encourage charitable giving and discuss its impact on both the giver and the receiver. For more information, check out our list of recommended books, websites, and apps in the description box below. Together, we can raise a generation of financially savvy individuals. Thank you for your attention, and let's start building a brighter financial future for our children. One of the best things about having your own money is that you get to choose how to use it, and let our children realize it early on. It takes a bit of practice to master your money, just like it takes time to learn to ride a bike. But once you get the hang of it, you'll be ready to address all sorts of money twists and turns. But first, start with what you have. We at Rupee Rookies Academy help children to learn the basics of financial wisdom in a fun-filled, engaging way. Do watch our videos and share them to your friends and family. So, it's a wrap for now. See you soon.